Blueberry pie, a classic dessert so many of us know and love. I'm one of those people and I really love a good blueberry pie, and this is exactly that. In my 34th stop in my 50 video series making every state dessert in America, let me know in the comments what state you think has the blueberry pie as the state dessert. As always, the recipe is in the description along with links to my other social media. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes. Starting with the really simple filling, it's just fresh blueberries. We've got lemon zest, as well as just a little bit of cinnamon and cardamom. They really complement the blueberry flavor. Adding some sugar, a pinch of salt, and the juice of 1 lemon along with that zest. Also added in some flour just to help thicken the juices as they bake. And we're gonna set that aside and make the crust. I'm just pinching really cold unsalted butter into all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt, adding ice cold water, and then just kneading that until the dough forms. And it's really simple. You can use a food processor to speed that up. Gonna roll it into a 12-inch circle, drape it into a 9-inch pie pan, just trim the edges to make it neat, folding the excess up and under the edges of the pie dough, pinching that, and then just crimping if you want to do that. We're going to fill this with that gorgeous blueberry filling, doing a simple lattice pattern on top, just cutting the strips and then overlapping them across the top of the pie, cutting off any excess dough, pinching and crimping, and then brushing with egg wash. This gets baked at 375 for 20 minutes, and then we turn down the heat to 350 for another 45 to 50 until perfectly baked and golden brown, and it is absolutely blissfully delicious. So in case you commented and were wondering, this is the state dessert for Maine. Maine being a huge producer of blueberries for the entire United States. This smelled absolutely incredible in the oven and it browned so nicely. There's something about a lattice that has that golden brown tint to it that is just the classic pie look that makes me so excited to eat it. Oh my God, that is blissful. The blueberries have so much flavor, really complemented with the lemon. The cardamom and the cinnamon just peek through, but they don't punch you in the face. Once again, recipe is in the description. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and like and comment on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.